In a land not so far away, nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, lay the peaceful village of Whimsywood. Here, in a neat little cottage, lived a young gardener named Ella. She was known throughout Whimsywood for her radiant smile and an extraordinary gift, the ability to grow flowers that glowed with magical light. Her most cherished spot was an enchanted meadow, hidden beyond a shimmering waterfall, rumored to be from where her flowers drew their magic. One sunny day, as Ella tended to her glowing blooms, she heard a soft voice calling out from the depths of the meadow. Curiously, she followed the sound until she reached the heart of the meadow, where she found a young prince named Felix, trapped by a ring of enchanted vines. Felix had been drawn to the meadow after hearing tales of its magic, hoping it could solve the troubles in his own kingdom. "Please help me," pleaded Felix, his eyes full of hope and kindness. Ella, with her nurturing demeanor and love for adventure, agreed without hesitation. She sang a gentle melody, a song passed down from her grandmother, and watched as the vines slowly unwound themselves from the prince. Grateful and relieved, Prince Felix revealed his mission to Ella. His kingdom was wilting under a dark curse, and he believed the light of Ella's flowers might restore hope and life back to his people. Touched by his sincerity and the plight of his kingdom, Ella promised to aid him. Together, Ella and Felix devised a plan to grow a garden of glowing flowers at the heart of his kingdom. With each step of their journey, the two grew closer, sharing stories and laughter under the open sky. By the time they reached the kingdom, their friendship had blossomed into something more magical. At the kingdom's center, beneath the shadow of a grand castle, Ella planted the first glowing seed. As it sprouted, it was as if the land itself sighed in relief. The curse began to lift, the flower's light spreading throughout the realm, bringing color and hope back to every corner. With the curse broken, the kingdom thrived once more. Prince Felix invited Ella to stay and cultivate the gardens, and she gladly accepted, her heart now intertwined with his. In the years that followed, the people began to tell tales of the garden and its magical blooms, but more importantly, of the love that grew between Ella and Felix. And so, under the shimmering light of the enchanted meadow, Ella and Felix lived happily ever after, a testament to the magic of courage, kindness, and love.